Hi, today we're out here with my Radical upper, which is a pistol length carbine with a suppressor on the front here. I am shooting 210 grain bullets, hornandy, reloaded with 11 grains of reloader 7. We got 5 here in the mag. My lower is a Wyndham Weaponry, and I just got a Nikon 300 Blackout scope. I'm going to try to shoot it out to 200 yards at a steel target out there. I've got 5 rounds. I'm going to give it a whirl, see what we can do. So let's do it. It's going to be the black target right there in the middle. So let's give it a shot and we'll see what we can do. Didn't feel too bad, 3 out of 5. I had to use quite a bit of drop on it. You can see my first bullet hit real low. I don't know where that last bullet hit, but you can see that it got out there. Well, thanks for watching my videos. You have a wonderful day, and please subscribe.